Hello, students. Good morning to all of you. First of all, belated Happy Diwali and Happy New Year. I hope you all are doing good. Today we will solve the paper of Terminal 1. We will start with Section A. Section A from Prose. Question number 1. A. Translate the following passage into English. पुरा एकस्मिन् जलाशये अनागत विधाता प्रत्युत्पन्नमति यद्भविष्य श्वेत्री त्रयो मत्स्याः वसन्ति स्म अथ कदाचित् तं जलाशयं दृष्ट्वा द्विवर्ये एक्तम् अहो बहुमत्स्यो यं यद. Translate this passage into English. Once upon a time, the male fish named Anagat Vidhata, Pratyutpanmati and Yadbhavishya used to live in a lake. Then once fisherman seen that lake and said, "Ah, this lake has many fishes in it." Okay, now question number 1b. Answer the following questions in Sanskrit. First question. Guru kutra vartamanah asita? Guru kutra vartamanah asita? The answer is Guru Ganga tire vartamana asita. Second question. Kanya tandulan ken prakshalitvati? Kanya tandulan ken prakshalitvati? The answer is Kanya tandulan jalen prakshalitvati. Question 1c. Answer the following questions in English. In what way did the girl increase Shakti Kumar's liking for milk? The answer is when served the food items prepared by her to Shakti Kumar, she described the dishes in an interesting manner. Her description made Shakti Kumar like every item. Second question. What did fisherman think on seeing the lake? What did fisherman think on seeing the lake? The answer is on seeing the lake, fisherman thought, "Ah, how wonderful! This lake is full of a lot of fish. How come we saw it today only? Now everything is settled. We will come tomorrow and kill the fish, tortoise, etc. There is enough for us." Question 1d. Write short note on the following. Anyone. First is Shakti Kumar's planning for taste. Shakti Kumar's planning for taste. The answer is Shakti Kumar wanted to marry a virtuous girl who would make an ideal wife for him. He made a plan to taste a prospective bride. When he saw a young girl sitting at the well on the bank of the river Kaveri, he thought of implementing his plan. According to his plan, if the girl could make many food items with only one pressed paddy that he gave her and please him, she would be a right girl for him. Okay. Second short note. Explain the obstacle avarth path. Explain the obstacle avarth path. The answer is there are whirlpools in the river If a man is caught in such whirlpools, he cannot escape or go ahead. Similarly, bad habits or vices like drinking wine or liquor, gambling, and stealing are as dangerous as whirlpools. A man fallen into evil ways rarely comes out safely. Most probably, he is ruined on account of his addiction. It is better to be cautious and keep oneself away from these whirlpools if we describe to reach the ocean of happiness. Okay, student. Now, question number 1E. Question number 1E. Read the paragraph carefully and write answer in Sanskrit. First of all, I read the paragraph. Then we will discuss about its answers. काञ्चीनगरे शक्तिकुमारो नाम एकः श्रेष्ठीपुत्रः प्रतिवसति स्म. स यदा स्वीकस्य जीवनस्य 22तमे वर्षे प्रतिष्ठस्तदा चिन्तामापन्न. नास्ति दारविहीनानाम् गुणधारणं च सुखम्. तत्कथं गुणवन्ति वीर्यम् अहं विन्देमिति. ततः स प्रभूतं विचार्य वस्त्रान्ते पिन्नदशाली दारग्रहणाय विविधान् देशान् अभ्रमत्. एकदा स कावेरी तीरपतने समागतः. अत्र सः कूपे विरलभूषणां कुमारीमेकाम् अपृच्छत्. आकृष्टं मे हृदयम् अस्यां. तदेतां परीक्ष्य विवाहप्रस्तावं कृत्वा तस्यां सम्मतो उद्यामि. Now look at the questions. First question. श्रेष्ठीपुत्रस्य नाम किम् आसीत्? श्रेष्ठीपुत्रस्य नाम किम् आसीतः? श्रेष्ठीपुत्रस्य नाम किम् आसीतः? Answer is Shaktikumarah. Second question. देशान् भ्रमन् शक्तिकुमारः एकदा कुत्र समागतः? देशान् भ्रमन् शक्तिकुमारः एकदा कुत्र समागतः? Answer is कावेरी तीरपतने. एकदा सः कावेरी तीरपतने समागतः. Third question. शक्तिकुमारः विरलभूषणां कुमारीं कुत्र अपृच्छत्? शक्तिकुमारः विरलभूषणां कुमारी कुत्र अपृच्छत्? The answer is शक्तिकुमारः कूपे विरलभूषणां कुमारी अपृच्छतः. शक्तिकुमारः विरलभूषणां कुमारी कूपे अपृच्छतः. Fourth question. तदेतां परीक्ष्य किं प्रस्तावं कृत्वा? तदेतां परीक्ष्य किं प्रस्तावं कृत्वा? The answer is तदेतां परीक्ष्य विवाहप्रस्तावं कृत्वा. तदेतां परीक्ष्य विवाहप्रस्तावं कृत्वा. Now move ahead. Section B. Poem. Question 2A. Translate the following verses in English. Translate the following verses in English. First one. बाल उत्तिष्ठ शय्यातः स्वस्थवृत्तं समाचार स्मर जगद्विधातरं ततः शुद्धं जलं पिब. Now translate into English. O child, get up from the bed. Merit is well the behavior conducive to the health. Then remember the creative of world. Then drink the pure water. Second one, Vishwani Dev Savitar Duritani Puraso Yabdradvandva Tannad A Su. Now translation. O Son, God, remove all the evil deeds or wives from us and bless us with all that is good. Question number 2b. Answer the following questions in Sanskrit. First question. Manavaha कीदृशाः सन्तु? Manavaha कीदृशाः सन्तु? Answer is Manavaha Nirbhaya Santu. Second question. Pratah Kale Kam Smaret. Pratah Kale Kam Smaret. Answer is Pratah Kale Jagat Vidhataram Smaret. Okay. Now, question number 2. C. Answer the following questions in English, any three. First one. What is the meaning of word Jagat Vidhata? What is the meaning of word Jagat Vidhata? The answer is Jagat Vidhata is compound word that can be explained as Jagat Vidhata. It means the creator of the world. It refers to the ultimate, rarely Parabrahma, taking the three forms Brahma, Vishnu and Shiv. Okay. Second question. Which things does a devotee not know? Which things does a devotee not know? The answer is the devotee does not know practicing charity. He does not know how to meditate or chant mantras. He does not know how to worship, nor does he know how to assign the various parts of the body to different deities. He does not know religious merit, visiting holy places. He does not know the devotion or practicing vows. He has no idea of liberation, for example, being free from the bondage of birth and death. Okay. Now the third question. How is gold tasted? The answer is gold is tasted by 4 ways. It is tasted by rubbing gold on touchstone, cutting, heating and streaking. This taste decided that the gold is genuine gold or of imitation. Fourth question. How is a man not starting any activity known as? The answer is there are 3 types of man: the best, the middle and the lowest. According to the poet, a man who, afraid of facing difficult and run away from difficulties, belong to the lowest type. Now question number 2D. Complete the verses. First is na tato dash 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 na putro dash 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 na bharta. So we have to complete it. Na tato na mata na bandhu na data na putro na putri na bhrutyo na bharta. Second one. Kshane rusta dash 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 bhayankarah. क्षणे रुष्टः क्षणे तुष्टः रुष्टः तुष्टः क्षणे क्षणे प्रसोन्पि अव्यवस्थितचित्तस्य प्रसोन्पि भयङ्करः क्षणे रुष्टः क्षणे तुष्टः रुष्टः तुष्टः क्षणे क्षणे अव्यवस्थितचित्तस्य प्रसादोऽपि भयङ्करः Now, section C, Natyakhand. Question number 3A. Translate the following dialogue in English. Translate the following dialogue in English. First one. Dhritarashtra said, Ehi ehi putra. Ghatotkacha said, Aho kalyanah khalu atra bhavan kalyanam प्रसूतिं पितामहमा भगवान चक्रयुद्धः. Dhritarashtra said, Come, my son. Ghatotkacha said, Oh, how noble your majesty, Lord. Very little of discuss has this message to my grandfather, the sources of all auspicious things. Second one. सुनीतः न जानामि प्रथमं कथयतु यत् प्रस्तरादयः किं कुर्वन्ति. पुनीतः प्रस्तरादयस्तु अचेतनाः सन्ति, ते स्वयं क्रियां कर्तुं समर्थां न भवन्ति. Sunita said, I don't know, tell me first what to do. Puneet said, but the object like stone are immediately, they are not able to anything by themselves, so they stay as they are. Question number 3B. Question number 3B. Write who says to whom. First one. प्रातः मार्गे कदाचित् दुर्घटनाः अपि घटन्ति. Who said to whom? The correct answer is Puneet said to Sunit. Second one. Pautra Ghatotkacha Marshayatu Bhavan. Pautra Ghatotkacha Marshayatu Bhavan. This sentence Dhritarashtra said to the Ghatotkacha. Okay, now question number 3C. Answer the following questions in English. Which man is considered to be an animal? The answer is any intelligent man who runs away from the place where accident occurs is considered to be an animal. Second question. What does Ghatotkacha advise Shakuni to do? The answer is Ghatotkacha advised Shakuni to give up the game of dice and be prepared to fight with arrows. Question number 2B.D. Write short note on the following any two. First one. Character of Ghatotkacha. Character of Ghatotkacha. Answer. In spite of being the son of Damonis Hidimba, Ghatotkacha behaves like a perfect gentleman. He does not forget to mention the elders like Yudhishthir. When he bows down to Dhritarashtra, he shows his respect for Dhritarashtra further by describing him as the sources of all auspicious things. While talking with Duryodhan and Shakuni shows his skill in repartee, although the science Ghatotkacha wins our sympathy and respect. Second one, Janardhan. Janardhan, it means Janan Ardayati iti Upad Tatpurush Samasa. This is one of the many names of Lord Krishna. It is significant since it means ones who kill the wicked, and the message sent to Dhritarashtra indicates the destruction of Kauravas. Third note of Shakuni. He was Duryodhan's maternal uncle. For example, Gandhari's brother. He had been the advisor of Duryodhan in his wicked dealing with the Pandavas. He was finally killed at the hands of Sahadev in the great Mahabharata war. In this lesson, he insults Ghatotkacha. Question number 2E. Make the sentences using words given in brackets. Ghatotkacha pitamaham abhivadayati. Into bracket, kim or kam. Answer is Ghatotkacha kim abhivadayati. Tvam yuddhartham na agatah. There are two words into bracket. Kidrasha kimartham. Kidrasha kimartham. Tvam kidrasha na agatah. Kim Tvam kidrasha yuddhartham na agatah. Okay, student. Now our section D and section E will learn in our next lecture. Till then, take care.